Hey food lovers, welcome back to Jacinta'sworld. World. Today I'm making a simple and delicious sweet potato stew. It's really nice and budget friendly.
And then demanded to work for him. As his personal secretary.
To get much into the cooking, please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Here are my ingredients. I had my tomatoes, onions, hoho, carrots, and of course I'm a Royco cube babe. So I had my Royco cube and salt plus mafuta tutatumia, and I had cut my sweet potatoes into pieces. Yeah. I really don't know why I like putting my onions first before mafuta, but I'm gonna change. So of course in a pan I chopped onions in the pan. Then came my oil, si nyingi but just medium. And I had to koroga it so that it can fill the whole pan. Yeah, nice that way. Turning golden, I added in my tomatoes, and there I corrugated it, and then the lid afterwards. So I gave it a few minutes. Then came in my hohos and carrots. Gave it a mix. Ndo kila kitu shikane. Then cover it to let it cook for a few minutes. So nimeshinda nikiangalia turning it and all that. So in the process niliweka chumvi. Yeah. First came in my Royco cube. Yeah. I'm going to koroga, and get Royco cube so you koroga it so that it can shikana with the whole thing. Right again for a few minutes. Here we come again. Look at that, it looks nice. So kwa tomato ambazo zitakuwa zimeiva vizuri, we'll just bonda them with the mwiko until we get a good paste out of the mixture. Look at that. Added in my sweet potatoes and nilikuwa nimekatakata earlier as I had shown you guys, and nikakoroga so that kila kitu shikane first. It looks nice but bado haiva. So I korogate the whole thing mpaka ishikane, inafaa ishikane so that when we're doing our thing we know how it is. And look at it. It looks nice because every potato imeshikana na the paste. And I think this is that time we measure our water, and you see, I did my thing. The ancestors want mad after all. You let them swim in water, so yeah. And look at that. We are going to cover it and let it cook but it's nice when you check it from time to time, kuangalia, because I'm not sure about the minutes, the whole thing, but you can just be cooking, checking for after maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you check it out and see how it is. So here our food is almost yeah, so I had to close it back, cover the lid again, and look at that. Tell me who won't eat such food. Looks so nice. And just like that, our sweet potato stew is ready. So warm, flavorful, and super easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.